Why do we usually recommend APDs in our microscopes, and why aren't we worried about the supposedly lower dynamic range of these detectors? Well, if you're doing fluorescence microscopy, usually your problem is not having too many photons. And therefore, in the vast majority of applications, the smartest choice is definitely the detector with the highest quantum efficiency. These are APDs, especially in the red detection range. Now, if your application requires a larger maximum count rate than an APD can offer, we now have a superior solution in the matrix detection unit, because even in addition to all the other advantages of spatial sensitivity, it also distributes the photons on several detector elements, and therefore the maximum count rate is beyond anything that you will encounter in typical applications. Now, if for some specialized application, hybrid detectors might be a better choice and the customer feels they need them, we have them also in our program, and of course we sell them with our microscopes in such cases.